What's the meaning of call center? Call center. Call center.
Call center. Call center. A call center is a centralized office or facility where customer service representatives handle incoming and outgoing telephone calls, emails, and chat messages from customers. The purpose of a call center is to provide efficient and effective customer support, resolve product or service-related issues, and offer information or advice to customers. Call centers use various technologies, such as automated call distribution systems and customer relationship management software, to manage large volumes of incoming calls and ensure that customers are connected with the appropriate representative. Call centers play a critical role in providing customer support and improving customer satisfaction for businesses across many industries.